In this video, we are going to start Beehive book chapter number first, The Fun They Had. The story begins with two children named Margie and Tommy. Margie was 11-year-old and Tommy was 13-year-old. It takes place in the world of the future where the computer dominate everything. Moreover, it also shows how the concept of schools and classrooms has transformed completely. Here the writer is Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. The story we shall read is set in the future. Already we have discussed that the story is take place in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist, and then if we are reading that content that it will not we are able to see in the future, then what will the conditions, how will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Here is a diagram, then it will give you some idea. Schools of the future, if we have to learn anything, then we will learn through computers. Virtual classroom is there. Whatever we will see the text or the word, that word will be moving e-text. And who will teach us in the future? Robotic teacher will teach us in the future. So we can see this diagram and we can easily understand schools of the future. Have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on a computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such books better? It is very difficult for us because whatever we are reading on a book. We are not reading the present time on a computer. We are not habitual of that. So it is very difficult to understand the moving text or the something such way. We will begin the lesson, then we will see more about that. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Tommy found a book, so Margie mentioned in her diary about the book, and on the page headed 17 May 2157, she put the future date also, you can see. It was a very old book. Which book they found? That is very old. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Here that Margie's grandfather is telling to her when he was a little boy, that time his grandfather told about the such kinds of book. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means with many folds or line, because that book was so old, so there were many folds and many lines were there, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, because they are reading the text on a screen or a monitor or a computer that is moving text. Then it is very funny to both of them, because that letter is not moving, that is still in that same page, and then when they turn back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. It means they are reading in a computer or a monitor screen, that it means that whatever they are going the back side, then it letter is or the some content were changed, but in that book they are reading whatever they are reading, that is remain in the same position. So it is very funny to them. Margie said, "Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away." Margie is saying, "I don't like such books and its content, just you throw it. I guess Our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Here, Margie and Tommy, they were comparing book to the computer content, and here Margie was 11-year-old and Tommy was 13-year-old, and so that Margie have not read that much book that was Tommy had read. Here Margie is asking to Tommy, where did you find this book? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. He told that he found the book in the attic. Attic means a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. What it about? Margie is asking. This book is what it about? So Tommy replied, about school. Margie was scornful. Scornful means contemptuous, showing think something is worthless. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie is telling that I don't like school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. The mechanical teacher is taking a test after test, and in geography, she had been doing worse and worse. Margie is not performing well, and she is not able to perform well in geography, so her mother is not satisfied with her. Her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Here there is some problem for the robotic teacher, so her mother called somebody to repair that. Rest of the part we will complete in next video. Okay, bye, then see you in the next video.